Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you once again for tuning in. Today is the day of Slammed Enough, and it is raining. Just washed it yesterday too. Yo, what's up? Good morning.
Good morning, dude.
I didn't think it was gonna rain right now. I thought it was gonna rain like later on in the day. Damn. Loaded up. You excited for today?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Should be a good turnout.
There's no way he's taking the BMW. Shit's gonna break down. Good morning.
Hello. Hey, good morning, everyone.
You guys know I gotta start off the day by putting on a Smelledables. Bad Bunny. Woo! Let's get this on. Tell me that he doesn't look like Aang from Avatar: The Last Airbender. When the world needed him most, he vanished. So right now we are waiting for Germ. Shout out to Germ for always hooking me up with everything. This new shirt on the website, Cop. I will also leave this in the link in the description below. This is so sick because All Aspects is very well known for their eyes, and you see the eyes everywhere. There he is. What up, Playboy?
Top of the morning, brother.
Sucks that it's raining. Yeah, I'm ready.
Let's get it.
You. Let's run it! So this is what it feels like to lose. Guys, so I have to burn a little bit more gas. I have about that much, and they're really strict on it, I heard, and we need to have about quarter tank.
Let's play a game. How fast can you waste a quarter tank of gas? Gotta get to that quarter tank life. Woo! Pulling on him. Oh, and using those Brembos. So it smells like burning wheels out here. America, brother, burning tires out here. All right, where you at? Oh my God.
They didn't do anything, huh?
Let's just go for it. See if they let us in.
Hell yeah, guys. They let me in. Took forever. All right, guys, so we made it. I've never been indoors before for a show. I've never even been to an indoor show, so this is actually really cool. We're unloading. They tricked me. Got 4 hours until the show starts. What the hell is this, John?
I don't know, dude. I don't even want to come back anymore.
Dude, honestly, that girl that was letting me in, she was like, all right, I'm just gonna check your gas again real quick. She looked, and she's like, just go. I was like, yeah. Dude,
I was trying to get it. I'm like, yo, I'm a vendor. And then she's like, huh? Which vendor were you? I'm like, the one that's literally right in front of me.
Wait. I'm gonna stop you there real quick. Is that a Supra? Damn, this is so sick. What the? Lexus boys. Oh my God, I finally get to see this in person. Guys, hands down the best RX-7 I've seen ever. Holy shit. I never get to see these in person. They're so fucking sick. Got Kevin's car over here. Jerem, what do you think so far?
It's looking really good. It's gonna be a really good turnout.
I really want a roof box like that, but them shits are expensive.
Yeah, you need it to slow you down.
Every single person here is aired out, except for your boy. Should I hit him with the air out? So I think I'm gonna help them set up real quick, and then I'm gonna detail my car a little bit more with some quick detail and all that. So see you guys in a little bit. All right, guys, finished detailing the whole car. Booth is set up, looks awesome. Let's get it. Put a little all aspects decal right there. This thing is fire. I have never seen a Varus bumper in person. Guys, so far, this is probably my favorite car here. Oh my God. I've never seen this kit before, but this front bumper is sick. Damn. I love when drift cars are show cars because they're just so perfect. I've seen this car on Instagram a bunch of times. So sick. I've always liked that. Painted it black and white. This brings it out more. Damn. Got Lexus boys over here. Let's get it. So my girlfriend couldn't come because she's sick, but I'm gonna go ahead and cock block Josh and his girlfriend. Hey guys.
Look at this wrap, dude. It's fucking sick.
Dude, this is the wrap that the Trap Lord has. Yeah, it's a brushed metallic aluminum. Yeah,
dude,
but see, the only thing about this wrap is you need a good ass photographer to capture it, or you just have to see it in person. Because then it just looks like a flat matte silver. Bro, we've entered race car section. This shit is tight. Oh my God, I want this kit. If I were to ever get a Z, I want this kit. Just imagine drifting in this. I'll be the next DK.
All the JDM guys, they put in like 40 racks into their cars and mod it. Buy a Beamer, you just get in the show for free, dude. I don't know what he did to it.
You know what? Wait, you know what he did to it? He got it from the garage out here. It's not broken down. Wait till he pops the hood though. This thing is fire. Oh my God. I don't know if the camera can get it, but this is sick. Got Lexus boys right here. Damn! That fitment is fire. Homie Hong. Woo! I don't know if you guys have seen Tony's car. Oh my God, and he watches my videos. That's fucking crazy. Thomas, where you at? I'm trying to see you vlog more. Oh my God. Best RX-7, no cap. I'm being serious. This is my favorite. Let's get it. Oh, yum. 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 Whose car is that? Whack. What? Damn it, Kaz. I'm so sorry. No worries, bro. Jason. Nice to finally meet you.
Oh!
Hey,
Oh!
Jason, nice to meet you, man. Your guys' race, though, fire.
Yeah. I don't talk about it.
No worries. Bro, thank you so much for hooking it up with the alcohol. Kind of boring here, so take a little swig. We got a narc over here? Bro, we got another narc over here? What up, Josue? Thanks for coming out.
Of course, man. Anytime.
Dude, got you right here.
Bro.
Thank you for watching my videos, dude. Thank you. All right, but what do you think though in person now that you finally get to see it? It's all right, right?
Video does not do it justice, bro. It, like, literally, it looks so much more clean in like person than it does in video.
Thank you. Thank you.
Man.
What up, guys? Thank you so much for coming out. Thank you so much.
Shout out, bro. Shout out.
You guys rock. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you.
Let's go down.
Hey, you guys signed up yet? No. Y'all ain't signed up. Y'all gotta sign up, man. This ain't no free rides.
You think this owner's Asian?
You're Vietnamese.
All right.
Oh!
Let's see what we got over here. What we got? What's this?
Hey, fuck him up. Fuck it. Thank you, Josh. Let's get it.
Woo. Don't spell it like Kaz did.
I know, dude. I'm gonna go spill it on a beanie real quick. Josh, this tastes kind of weird. What is this? Corona. Fuck. I don't feel so good. Coronavirus, let's get it.
Oh, fuck.
What up, guys? Thank you for coming out. We got some stickers for you guys. Yeah, of course.
Damn, Jason's famous, dude. Look how cute he looks.
I still think it's crazy, like, dude, people will come up to me and be like, I watch your videos, and I'm still like, I can't believe it. We popping right now, huh? A little bit? If you guys weren't able to make it, next time, you guys definitely should come out. This was actually my first real car show, and it's pretty fucking tight. What up, man? Thank you so much for coming through. Got you. It's not that great in person, though.
I love it, dude. Honestly.
Dude, this show's been so sick. Everyone's been so nice. I'm just fucking chilling, eating my yogurt. Dude, thank you so much for coming out.
Yeah, hey, thank you.
Yeah, of course.
Why is he so red?
Yeah, of course. Thank you for coming out. Did you guys check out Eliminate's freaking?
Yeah, I was there before the light started. That's gonna be you soon.
Oh my god. Kaz is shooting my car.
You're welcome.
Josh is the one that asked Kaz to shoot my car. He didn't want to do it because he thinks my car looks tight, but fuck it.
It's all good. Kaz is the boy.
Dude, thank you for shooting my car. Dude, thank you.
Anytime. I'll send you your way.
Yeah, for sure. Thank you. Dude, thank you for coming out.
Thank you.
That is freaking awesome. It came out really good.
Yeah.
Like, honestly, out of every person that's done it, I think that's the best one that I've seen. Ever. Ever.
Oh shit.
Nah, he's being
I started
modest.
to skateboard once, but the little kid didn't even know who I
Hey,
was.
don't be modest.
Oh, you practiced.
Yeah, let's go.
It's pretty bad.
It's all
I'm so
good.
sorry.
First signature of the day.
First signature ever.
Hey, you don't gotta lie, bro. Ooh, number 2, brother. Hey, we better not see that on eBay.
Aw, couples goals. Fuck her up. No
I
mercy.
win.
Fuck her
I
up.
win.
Bro, you're dedicated.
Yo, I'm trying to play, dog. Leave me alone.
Where'd it go? We good, we good.
Oh, shit.
My bad.
Got the whole universe in my ceiling, I'ma set the mood.
Josh out here putting in work. He's filming some cinematics for the All Aspects vlog. You guys should definitely check out their vlog. Huh? Damn. Josh, where you at?
Fucking single turbo. Hey, all you Lexus motherfuckers hating on Beamers, what's up?
How did he get this out of the garage and get it here? Let's get it. Your boy's about to smash some bros in Smash Bros. Little does Germ know, I got a sticker slap on. Alright guys, show is coming to a close. So we're just packing up and we're probably just gonna head out. So see you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, just made it back home. That was so surreal. Meeting all of you guys who watch all my videos, that was so awesome. Thank you guys so much for coming by and checking out All Aspects booth. It meant the world to me. And it was so cool meeting you guys and talking to you guys. Like, oh my god, you guys are all amazing. And I love how much you guys support me and I am forever grateful. And for those of you who couldn't make it due to work or you being out of state, maybe I'll come out to your state someday because I really do want to take this car to other shows, maybe other states. Man, it was so dope. Thank you again, All Aspects, for allowing me to have my car. It was so cool, like meeting some dudes from Eliminate and getting to talk to them because they're honestly my biggest inspiration. And the vibe that they give off honestly reminds me of my skate friends. They all party like that. They're all like rowdy and like super funny and dancing and playing loud music and just being like Bay Area hyphy shit, because that's like how my skate buddies are. And it's exactly why I think Eliminate is so dope and how I relate to them, because it's just, it reminds me of my friends. Hopefully, fingers crossed, someday I get to collab with them. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We are so close to 10K. I can't freaking believe it. You guys are awesome. More things will come for the car. I have a few things that are planned, but everything might take a while because I do want to get a few things more in check. Plus, I want to focus on my clothing brand as well. So stay tuned for that. That's pretty much it. I hope you have a great rest of your day. And don't forget, it's always better to look good than to feel good. Oh, later.